members, as part of measure to bring development to doorsteps of our citizenry, we wish to organize TANOFEST in April 2026 during the Easter festivities to showcase the development potentials and unique features of our municipality. This event seeks to promote peace, unity, solidarity among citizens devoid of political toleration. We also anticipate to involve the diasporans from this municipality for them to also contribute their quota towards our development agenda. Executive Committee Report, Honorable Presiding Member, as at its meeting held on 29th and 31st October 2025, the Executive Committee on this Assembly, having deliberated on a variety of issues, made some recommendations for the consideration and approval of this House. I entreat you to take a closer look at the recommendations which have been presented to you and grant them your approval for management to see their implementation. The following recommendations were made: that the Assembly should provide the 2026 Draft Medium-Term Development Plan (MTDP) and Annual Action Plan (AAP). That the Assembly should provide the draft 2026 composite budget estimate